Hey guys, Everett here with Kimber at SHOT Show 2026, and what we've got here with us is our CDS9. So what's new about the CDS9 is we refined a lot of the overall machining pieces this year. Still has our ambidextrous safety, ambidextrous slide release, external extractor, and 15-round extended magazine. We've also got our new 1911 DS Warrior. So this features our carbon fiber grip module and a lot of the traditional aspects of a regular 1911. Internal extractor, regular bushing barrel system, but this one has a rail and optics mounting capability. And the latest introduction besides our DS Warrior for SHOT Show 2026 is our new 2K11 Comp. What sets this one apart from the legacy 2K11 is our 0.16 square inch port just forward of the front sight, as well as the new carbon fiber infused grip module. This one still features all the hallmarks of the legacy 2K11, which is the fully fluted and crowned 5-inch barrel, external extractor, toolless guide rod, and signature GT trigger that comes at a right and a half, 2.5 pounds. If you're looking for more information, you can find us online.